This is the first time we were running the engine now vertical, the liquid rocket engine vertical, instead of doing horizontal test. We did that for a few reasons. First off, that would be the orientation it's in, of course, when it's launching, and so it would be a little bit more realistic. And also, we're thinking that might make it easier for the flame to travel upwards into the combustion chamber. And another thing, we actually have a combustion chamber separate on this one, separate from the atomization section up here. We just 3D printed the whole thing, which obviously wouldn't be able to take the heat of full combustion. But I don't think we were getting combustion in the chamber anyway. There was a little bit down here, unburnt fuel. It wasn't combusting until it was far out of the chamber. And so if we ever did get to the point where this started melting, that's probably a good indication that it's combusting inside the chamber and would be ready to move to aluminum. Right now we're testing the geometry, not the material. And I don't think it worked. It's still burning out here, which doesn't give us any more lift. So our biggest challenge is still going to be able to get combustion inside the chamber. Some things we might try is making the chamber bigger. Right now it's pretty small, and so making it larger might make it easier for the flame to combust in there. Not totally sure on that. Also, maybe the orifice, like the nozzle diameter down here, maybe by making that bigger, might be easier for the flame to travel up into the chamber. We also might explore options, ignition starting inside the chamber instead of igniting down here, igniting up inside here. But we have to explore all of those before we can say anything definitively.